very tricky. Fortunately, you have the gatherers here to assist you and answer any questions you may have. They are extremely knowledgeable, so pay close attention. However, before we begin, builders, I just need to know, are you ready?
Yes.
Perfect, let's build.
Use that other hand to help you straighten it out. We want to see our crystals light up. Touch it. Give it a little spin. Perfect. How do you do? Hold it up. Spin your crystal. Excellent. We're going to go to column 5. You're going to choose one of the 2 sets of activation plates. On the back of each piece, there's going to be a blue or a red square. You're going to match it up to the same color square in the center of the track. Red to red, blue to blue. A little higher. The curves have to cover the one here. Yeah, we want to protect those crystals. For the activation plates, you're going to be selecting one matching 2 of those 4 plates. On the silver ring faces the middle, and you want to push it twice. You want one from each side. Alright, scriptures are on here. We're going to set down for the same. And on the other side here, you'll go with that piece right there. Blue will go on the red, otherwise you'll erase what you missed. So whichever set you like better, you want that side or this side. I'm going to go to the yeah, you got it. Your red square here, you put that back with a front. Now you're good. Okay, there's a lot going on. This one square and match up to that red square, okay? I want you to push up on your switch. You want to hear it first. You're going to take any 2 of those quarters into the silver ring, always go to the middle, and you want to push and push until it's tight. You don't want to switch sides. If you like that one to the top, slide it back down to the middle. You can use any of the 3. Number 1 and 2. You're going to choose clear out of the 4 in front of you. The thicker bands, you need to go down to your switch. That way it's a little easier to get your activation on. So you get the top one for the bottom, the middle for the top. When you're done, rest it here. This one goes to the right. Other one. There you go. Push. This one's supposed to be in. No, push and switch. You want it to be tight. You don't have to push too hard, just a little pressure. Oh, and then you need one for the top. Make sure the thicker band is going to push that one. Push it. You want the middle column. These are actually both the same one. If you wanted the other one, they'd have it out front. You're just asking. Does that make sense? Push. And switch it to your left hand side. Alright, what do you think? Perfect. I'm going to double check it for you.
Is this your first lightsaber? Yeah. Oh, pardon. Oh, it's time. Perfect. Excellent. Alright, please place your sabers back on your hilt holders. Take a couple steps back from your stations. Gatherers, please proceed. Right now, the gatherers are placing your sabers in the chambers. This is when we start that process of activation. So again, we're going to make sure everything is perfect before we move on, because one cracked crystal or an inverted emitter, and we might have another explosion. And might have an explosion. Sorry, I don't know what you might have heard. The majority of these holes were in the ceiling when we moved in. So no reason for you to be concerned. I'm not even going to leave the room. Put on the goggles. Absolutely.
With many bumps you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined. Much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda. It is indeed time. The bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. Builders, when I tell you I'd like you to step forward, place your hands on your hilts, and when I give you the signal, together we will activate our lightsabers for the very first time. Builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Perfect. Then it is time. Step forward, place your hand on your switch and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. Hold them high. You have now built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too have the power to change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate and lower your lightsabers. Excellent.